Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day today that, it was a fine day as far as trading and everything like that, but from a technical position where I sit trying to, make these presentations, just a whole lot of chop right now. All this thing seems to be doing right now is up, down, up, down, up, down. So, it's just kind of, in other words, we need to kind of cut through the chop, just try to, how do we ignore all this noise? Because that's all this is right now from a charting perspective. It's just a whole lot of noise, whole lot of chop. And in order to do that, what I want to get drawn up here and just focus on moving forward is more so this overall pattern that has taken place. And this pattern right here has the trend line right there, and then the support portion of the pattern down here. And actually, let me change that to green to represent support. But this is really the main level and main overall pattern that matters the most, assuming you care about more so the bigger picture. Now, if you are a day trader and you're all about buying and selling within 10 minutes, well then, yeah, I'm not going to say that this entire, video would be worthless to you, because yeah, there will be value in it. But this is geared more so for somebody that's just trying to gauge and understand more so a broader viewpoint of the chart. And really, it's just a waiting game right now. The waiting game is this: what does the price actually want to do? Because all it's been doing right now, as I pointed out, is just chopping all over the place. So what does it actually want to do? Well, it's got really two choices. The bulls can show up in a big way, work their way up to this area and get the break out of the pattern. So in technical jargon, a technical pattern breakout. Or the bears are going to show up, press the price down to that lower portion, and then in trading jargon, a technical pattern breakdown by pushing down through that level. So that's really what it comes down to, is we kind of got to just wait and see, what does the price actually want to do within this pattern itself? Does it want to just continue to chop around, or is the price actually going to make some sort of bigger move? So those are going to be the main levels that I'm watching going forward. And, this overall pattern here just kind of, like as I said, cuts through all the noise, cuts through all the chop, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.